Hi everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm super excited. I got the November IPSY Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for the month of November. If you guys want to know what I got in my box from PR from them, these are the two things I got. But what's inside? If you guys want to know, as always, you guys know what I'm about to say. Just keep on watching. Alrighty, guys. So, spooky season is over. Your girl is sad. I still don't feel ready to take away my orange backdrop. I have a backdrop in every color, and I'm like, nope, I'm not putting it down. I'm not changing the color. I mean, in December, I'm definitely gonna change it to red, and then like my hunter green for Christmas time. But I'm like, fall season, you could do orange too, right? So gonna still keep it up for a little while longer. So hope you can appreciate the orange backdrop. I'm excited because I'm going to show you guys what I got for the IPSY PR November. But before I get into the unboxing, I always just like to invite anyone new to my channel to subscribe. My name is Aisha. I love all things makeup related. I do lots of makeup hauls on like current things that are out. It is now, we're in like Sephora VIP sale, so I've been showing my hauls for you guys. The next video I'm about to film is going to be like all the Ulta holiday sets that just came out, so I'm going to do those. I'm doing the Sephora favorite sets. All that makeup goodness is on this channel. So if you like knowing like about makeup products that's coming out and makeup subscription unboxes and makeup mystery boxes, all of that fun stuff, then I would say subscribe to my channel and become a part of my YouTube family. Thank you in advance. Alrighty guys, so let's dig in. So I guess let's go with the smaller bag, although they just put most of the stuff in the box. So I don't know which one was in what because I put some stuff in here, some stuff in here. So I don't know if it was supposed to be for the Glam Bag or the Glam Bag Plus, but nevertheless, if you get this, one of these would be the choices. So let's start off with the bag. It's giving me, is this cheetah? Cheetah print? Cheetah vibes? Right? Yeah, cheetah vibes. So that's that, right? And then inside, the first thing I have in here is a Murad Renewing Eye Cream. So it's like a baby size. The next thing I got is a matte liquid lip from the brand M2U NYC. Never heard of this brand before, but the color looks pretty. You guys know I love doing my red and burgundy lips, so I definitely will wear that. They gave me their Real Magnet Mascara. I love this mascara, so I'm definitely going to save this for like when I go traveling, so I don't have to carry the full size. But this mascara is amazing. I love this mascara. I swear, from just having subscription boxes, I will never have to buy a mascara again. So I opened this up already because when I was taking everything out the box and putting them in the bags, I couldn't wait to smell this. They gave me, it's a perfume oil, but your girl does not like this smell. So this is definitely going to have to be a part of my giveaway. It's just, I don't know. It's giving me, I don't know. I can't even describe it. It's like a musky, very, very musky. It's giving me musk. And your girl likes fruity, floral, sweet scents. I'm very, very rare you're gonna find me liking fragrances that have a musk scent to it. So this one is a hard no for me. But you know, if you like musk scents, that'll be for you. And then they gave me a Ciate London eyeshadow. I took the box out already. I threw the box out. I just kept the packaging like this, the product, to show you guys. But I figured like for time purposes, I don't need to unbox everything on camera, but I didn't use it or anything. I just opened it up. This is a very pretty color, so I'm definitely keeping this because I love colors like these going into fall season, so loves it. This color is called Plum Up. Alrighty, on to the big bag here. So, this is the one thing I was excited about. It's a Per X Nabila palette. So, Nabila, I don't know if I'm saying her name right, Nabila. I know I've seen her a couple of times like on Instagram, and I know she has a YouTube channel, but I don't really like watch her videos or anything like that. I'm just saying she came up in like my news feed occasionally, and occasionally I glance at it. But so she partnered with her and did a palette. And not trying to do no shade, no tea. I'm just saying, like, you know. So let's open her up. The palette is beautiful. So I'm definitely keeping this palette because I definitely would wear these shades. It's like a lot of bronzes in here. So I'll probably do this palette tomorrow. So loving that. The next thing I got, I saw it was like a setting spray. I've never heard of Shades by Shan setting spray. Never heard of it before, but definitely gonna try it still because I'll try anything once. So this is what it looks like. I don't know what type of, it has hyaluronic acid in it, niacinamide, ginseng to plump and hydrate your skin. My skin is super shiny right now, so I'm not gonna add any more shine to my skin right now. I normally don't wear moisturizer under my makeup when I do my makeup, and I did today, and like I just cannot keep my skin matte, so I won't be demoing this for you. I'm sorry. The next thing I got, which I'm excited to use, is the Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer. I like First Aid Beauty because it's the whole line is like for sensitive skin, so very excited for that. And I got a little Juicy candle. I didn't even know Juicy made candles. It smells very me, very fruity, very girly. It says it's the smell of red roses, juicy peach, and magnolia. Fine fragrant soy candle. This is so small. I feel like this is gonna burn out in like 5 minutes. Probably even less. But I love the smell of it, so loves it. Cute candle for travel, maybe. Then I got some brushes by Iconic London. And the brushes are all like white handled, white bristles. Very chic and bougie. And is this rose gold? Rose gold is like the metal part. So you get 4 eyeshadow brushes. And that was all. That's all I got for my IPSY PR for the month of November. I honestly, I am not mad at it because like you guys know I love brushes. How many times in my videos, if you subscribe to my channel, do I say I love getting brushes, new brushes. I love fruity, citrusy scents, this is right up my alley. Love this mascara. This palette is all the colors that I use. Setting spray, who wouldn't want a setting spray? I love First Aid Beauty. I love this color. The only thing I like the shadow and eye cream I don't mind getting because, I mean, who don't want to have nice bright eyes, no wrinkles under the eyes. So I'm not mad when I get different eye creams. The only thing is too much face moisturizers can be a little annoying because you can't try so many moisturizers all at once, but very excited for that. The only thing I have to say that I am not going to use from here is this oil. This is going to be a hard no for me. So that's it. And I got a surprise for you. I got a surprise for you guys. So IPSY sent me like the refreshments PR here. So I guess they're going to be doing like, before remember they had the refreshments for like the shaving lotion, shaving cream, which they did send to me. But this is a special one. I don't even think it launched yet. And they sent this to me to show on my channel. So this is the bag. Thank you, IPSY. Thank you, thank you. I feel so loved. So I guess they're extending their refreshments line. And They now have a cleansing balm, and they now have lip balms. So they sent these to me to try. So I did try the caramel swirl and the sweet, oh, I got the dropsies today, and the sweet mint scent. I love this caramel balm. It smells like very marshmallowy. I love it. You can't get enough of smelling this because it smells, oh my God, wow. I would just put this on just because of the smell. Like, so like holiday season, like marshmallows, cookies, very sweet, very, very sweet. So I love that one. The next one is called Sweet Mint. And it smells like very minty, so you can't go wrong with a minty smell. So this is what it looks like if I could get it out the packaging. So it smells like very minty. Very, very, very nice. So I got those two products. Ah, and the cleansing face balm. I love the packaging and the aesthetic of this. It's like pink with like roses or like flowers. Is this flowers? Yes, flowers and butterflies are all over it. So very cute. And I love cleansing balms because my skin, I always wear like a lot of makeup. So the balms tend to get my makeup off very fast. And then I like double cleanse. Then I cleanse my skin afterwards. So it doesn't smell like anything. It smells like it's just like a balm, but non-scented. So good for sensitive skin. I don't really like to use anything with fragrance on my face anyway because I break out from it. But this is what it looks like, just like a regular balm. So very excited for that. So thank you, IPSY. Thank you, thank you, thank you for these to try out. Like I said, I didn't try the balm yet, but I love, love, love their lip balms. And then that's it. Now we're really done. Now we're really, really done. So that's really about it. Guys, tell me what you think about like the IPSY refreshments. Do you use anything from them? What did you guys get for your November Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus? Comment down in the comments below. Let me know if we are Glam Bag twins or if you have something that you think I would like better. Let your girl know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you